What's up, guys? Welcome back to the R&D Garage here at Vintage Air. I'm your boy Billy. I gave you a sneak peek on our 66, 67 Chevelle kit. Now, let me show you the finished product. Of course, you know, we got our firewall cover plate. Nice, clean look. Of course, we got our reduced barrier hose kit. Another thing we did was upgrade our alternator just to give us enough juice for speakers and whatnot, plus our system. To keep it nice and cool, we went with a Champion radiator. Let's step inside my office. All right, inside the vehicle, we went ahead and installed our Gen 5 Magnum Max with the giant blower on it. That's gonna push cold air all the way through your 2.5-inch ductwork throughout your whole system, defrost ducts and dash vents. Your standard OEM kit is gonna come with your conversion for your control panel, or you can upgrade to your nice electronic control panel here with the billet trim. And it gives you a little bit more extra room behind the dash. All right, guys, so just in time for summer, if you're ready to order your Gen 5 Magnum Max kit, get on the phone, hit up our sales guys, and get it done. Once again, for Vintage Air, I'm Billy. Be cool.